guys, I've got a dog. I've got a dog. So, in fact, it's not my dog. It's this is Noodles, and Noodles is staying with us for the weekend. Let's just show him you. Here, look at the camera, Nudes. Look at the camera. There, he's a little bit nervous. He's just, I've just brought him into me motorhome just to give him the first taste of motorhome life. And he's never actually been in a motorhome before, so I'm just getting him used to it a little bit. But he seems to be sort of enjoying it. He's like, where are we going? But yeah, so Noodles is getting on a little bit now. He's a bit of an old boy, and I think he's about 8 years old. So, but yeah, he sits on your feet and stuff. You know what these dogs are like. But I thought I'd just introduce you to Noodles, yeah, because he's a lovely little dog. And your Nudes. And I think Caroline is doing him some a little bit of scrambled egg to go with his dinner. So Natalie sort of feeds him this like little dog biscuits, and Caroline sort of said it always looks a bit dry. So I think I'm going to mix in a little bit of scrambled egg or a little bit of smoked salmon. We look after the old, but he loves coming down to Devon for a bit of a it's almost like a health spa holiday for Noodles. And Nudes, there he is. There he is. Yeah. Yeah, it's a hard one to start video like this. Last night I was full of energy, power. Today, different story. Yeah, it wasn't actually our dog. Noodles, as you might have guessed out on Facebook and stuff, lost Noodles today. Yeah, our daughter's little dog, little pug dog. Absolute legend of a dog. Wasn't that long ago he was in my motorhome running around on a carpet, and yeah, and yeah, this morning Caroline rang me, said he'd gone to sleep for the last time, and she was shot, yeah, totally shot to pieces. And to be honest, it's just like, it's one of them things. It's just crazy how a dog can affect your life so much. I was quite shocked actually how it's like affected me. As a younger person with my parents, we had some dogs, and it's a long time ago now. It's sort of like a bit of a distant memory, and I was probably maybe too young to understand what happened when they passed. But when you sort of a 10-year bond with a dog, it's pretty crazy how that you get a bond even when he's not even with us 24/7. And then I just, you know, then you think of I think of like my daughter, how like when she comes, you know, he's not there and it's an empty basket, and that's what sort of like, just, you know, you just sort of keep thinking about them thoughts, and it can be like an empty place then. But yeah, and I actually tried to ring my daughter up and talk to her, and basically she answered the phone today, and I basically couldn't even. She was like, you know, you okay, Dad? You're there? I'm like, I was just so like carved up about it. It's absolutely carved to pieces, and you just don't even sort of like, you know, dogs are just so like that. Noodles was just so friendly. He just wanted a quiet life. He ate food. He wanted to be, and I literally on Saturday, I was just sort of like, we knew he was bad on Saturday, and we saw him Saturday, and I was kind of just like, just like stroking his head, and he's just, yeah, and they just want that kind of like attention.
and they're your best friend. They are your best friend. Literally, yeah. I just had to like talk about it a little bit, and just and also thank everybody that's commented on our Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. Yeah, honestly, it's just like, you know, yeah, pretty nice to get all them messages. And yeah, it's just, like I say, that is the thing that just like rips through you, is the fact that you know, they just don't want any harm. They're your best friend, the best friend. And yeah, so innocent. Yeah, it's a hard one to swallow. And then you start sort of thinking, just recently, there's a lot of people that we kind of like know that have lost their pets and stuff, and then you kind of, until it kind of like happens to you, you just, it's yeah. We're not them kind of people that actually have pets, and probably that is one of the, it is when you lose a pet like that, it's mad. This is like super loss, big style. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably just wrap up the video and tag in some photos of incredible dog Noodles. And not only that, everywhere we kind of went, we always like talked about him as regards, you know, when you saw another French bulldog, something like that, it was like, our daughter's got one, and it was just like a conversation point. We had some like, he you know, just you know, and then I was flicking through some of Natalie's pictures today, just looking at them pictures, and he just like brought so much joy. And all them, there was so many occasions over a 10-year period of yeah, different things and different memories. And yeah, so I'm going to finish this video there, short and sweet, but yeah, just big thoughts with our special mate. Okay.
Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end, me and you. Ooh. If you spend, then I spend all on you. Ooh. You just say the word and we gon' run it up. You're number one and it's don't run up. Don't matter if your birthday's coming up, I'm still gon' get you those little gifts, and it's not even about that. I just love to make you smile, so go and smile back. Little FaceTime, little chit chat, little time spent, little meal or something. What we doing on? Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end, me and you. Ooh. If you spend, then I spend all on you. Ooh. You. It was always you and me. It was always Nick and Tay. Went away from a dream, and I could never get away. It was always me and you. It was always saying Nick. Got some little ones too. Go ahead, stand right there. Go ahead, smile for the pic. That's my best friend. My best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my 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 best friend. Go best friend.